Hello again. Welcome to the Brazilian Magic and Sorcery channel. Today I will talk about the natural forces or laws, which are the manifestation of primordial energies. If we think of a forest, this forest is the environment where energies manifest themselves in different ways according to its original concept, and also according to the possible planes of existence within it. At the level of matter, the most common are the levels of existence of animals, minerals, and vegetables. But what forces drive the possibility of existence? And what forces enable the plurality of existence? The force that drives possibility is the unifying principle acting and interacting with different energetic concepts and adapting to the external forces that govern that level of existence in order to manifest itself. External forces, in turn, are those that dictate the limits and mechanisms of that dimension of existence. Sometimes some interactions can interfere with these limits, for example. Today we see many animals having typically humanized behaviors, which is outside the standard of their existence in a natural state, but interaction has allowed this communication in a similar way. Not that they no longer communicated, but rather they followed the rigid limits of their natural state of consciousness. If we think in grammatical terms, the vowels represent the existential expansive principle, and the consonants the external rules that determine how it will be determined. Words, as a whole, are the result of expansion and direction of these unified forces, with the intention of producing the representation of something, and directing attention to this something that is not necessarily being seen, but which already has a record of existence represented by the spoken word. Thus, if the concept is just an expansive idea, or a numeral, the one, the unity, the forces are the possibilities of interaction of that number with the environment. Therefore, these forces serve to lead the one to the manifestation of the whole. These forces are sometimes called laws, and the one within these laws acquires faces or becomes new numbers, which for some are names, numbers, faces, or even different beings. These mathematical energetic interactions are the foundation of oracles and the observation of nature, from which we gain understanding of the whole. When we talk about Murindiligum, or the application of geomancy within Brazilian religiosity, we will end up returning to this subject. The important thing here is to understand that there is an energy, but that it can acquire different movements and become different beings. We are the result of these movements. See you soon. Hail the King's 7 crossroads of the Lyra, and may my guardian bless you all.